Okay.
But here's some Xbox ones. They're mainly.
Yeah, the Wii.
We have like a whole
Yeah, I like
council.
Wii.
Like,
Yeah, I'd look at all that.
Originals.
Do you want to? Can you get it from upstairs, Anna? Because there's like a whole box.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like Guitar Hero.
I'd be interested in all of it.
Okay.
I buy all video games.
Oh, okay, cool.
Cool. Yeah, we were at one down there and just drove by and said, hey, what's up? Bag of tools. Pure imagination. Sword of Vengeance. Your favorite, Zoe? Gilmore Girls. Is that your favorite? No. I was just guessing. Battle Royale. This is interesting. Where'd you get this?
I can't remember where I got it. I had to order it from some Japanese site.
That's very interesting, yeah.
Well, that's the second
I never
one.
saw the second one. I saw the
The
first
second
one.
one's okay. The first one's good.
Yeah. How much are these?
Well, it's $2 for $1. I'll do
$2 for $1? Okay.
The first one's in there somewhere.
Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, so I can get both for $1. That's a win. HD DVD.
And they play on regular DVD players.
Okay, good.
I mean the
Battle Royale.
Yeah, the Battle Royale.
Yeah. Now, what about these Xbox games? How much are those? Oh, this is such a good game.
$2.
$2 each?
Yeah. Just make sure everything's in there.
Oh, yeah.
I messed all of them, but
This is the main one I'd want. That's such a good game.
I love that game.
Yeah.
Portal 2's in there too.
I see that. It's also tempting me. This looks interesting.
It took me a while to get used to playing that game. It gave me motion sickness at first.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I love this game.
Yeah, I should let him try it again. He tried it when he was younger and it was a little too hard.
Yeah.
But I bet he could beat it now. And it's
Tetris.
yeah. Dead or Alive. The Lion King. $2 for $1 on these. This is interesting. Looney Tunes collection. I could buy a couple of these. Unless you're looking at them, Zoe. I know you're tempted. I know you love Disney movies. Lady and the Tramp, yeah, The Muppet Show. Season 1. That's the original Muppet Show, right? From back in the day.
I mean, it says season 1, right?
That does bring back some memories. You selling a DVD player?
No, I haven't had a DVD player in a long time.
Her mom's looking for one. She's like, let me know if you find a DVD player. Frozen.
Lady and the
My
Tramp 2.
Xbox 360
There's a second
broke.
one?
Then you got nothing, yeah?
All of these like original Disney movies that apparently have a second version of it.
Yeah, they make number 2 for everything. Alright, so $2
But,
for
like,
orange
they're
box.
never like that as good as
1,
the original.
2, 3,
Like the Lion
4.
King, 1.5, wasn't it? It was really weird.
I need to get one more to get to an even
Wasn't like
number.
Lion King
That'd be
2 and 3.
5 in DVDs and then a $2 Xbox game. So
But I'm pretty
7.
sure the second one, they
See if I want
called it,
any more
like,
Xbox games.
1.5. I have no idea.
Is this Forza or Ultimate Alliance?
I think that's a combo.
Weird. It's a weird combo. But Ultimate Alliance was really good.
Yeah.
7, 8, 9. I'm still struggling with Portal.
The new Aladdin is good.
10, 11. Would you just do 10?
For everything.
Yeah, I'm at 11.
What happened to the
round numbers.
Ice Age? There
11,
was like
$11. So
Oh, $11. Okay.
$6, and then
the Ice Age wasn't.
4, 6.
7,
Last one came out
8,
was 2018.
9, 10.
They haven't made another one, and
$10.
like, usually they make one every 2.
Because then I can just give you a $10 bill.
$5.
All right,
man.
cool.
Thanks.
Thank you. The kid's still sleeping? Yep. No problem. Yeah, thank you. Oh, how much is your DeWalt tool bag with the tools in it?
40.
How much? 40?
Yeah. Well, it's got all the tools in it.
Oh, it does. Okay.
Well, but they all work.
Okay. Oh, that's a nice impact driver.
Just a little charge.
Oh, yes. Charger. Yeah, I'll do $40 on it.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
We got a cool longboard.
Y'all take that.
Roll
Hi, y'all take care. Hi,
Morning.
guys. How are y'all this morning?
Good, how are you?
We're very well, thank you.
Think about it. Oh, you carried this, I carried it. How about that?
No, I got it. I just here.
Oh,
Take my doll out. All right, here we go.
Wonder how much they paid.
Okay.
How you guys doing this morning?
Hey, we are very well. Are y'all looking for anything in particular, or just
I'm always
browsing?
looking for video games and records.
Oh gosh, sorry.
Those are my my number.
Yep.
And they have some Xbox games.
Yeah, I'd look at them. Cool. You selling these books too?
Yes.
Cool, cool. The Dangerous Book for Boys, Elijah. The Dangerous Book for Boys. Why is it dangerous? Table football. Actually, Elijah, this does look kind of cool.
Too.
Elijah, it teaches you how to build a tree house, how to play table football. Just like me, they long to be close to you.
Yeah, it's a real.
Oh, Salomon.
It's like a personal makeup.
Some blades. Sideways. 6.
We have mainly like Wii games,
Okay.
but here's some Xbox ones. They're mainly.
Yeah, the Wii.
We have like a whole
Yeah, I
Wii
like Wii.
console. Like,
Yeah, I'd
one
look
of
at all
the
that.
originals.
Do you want to? Can you get it from upstairs, Anna? Because there's like a whole box.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like Guitar Hero.
I'd be interested in all of it.
Okay.
I buy all video games.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm the video game guy.
Anna Claire, be careful, baby.
You gotta carry it all down the stairs. So how are you doing? You're doing good?
We are doing well.
It's
Thanks.
a nice day. Perfect day for it. Last
Yeah.
weekend was rough. The rain.
Oh goodness.
Yeah. Elijah, did you see this? Got a watermelon helmet?
Yeah, that one actually is brand new.
That's
she
cool.
didn't even wear it.
Oh, look, Elijah.
I thought this was a fish.
Did you see this?
No.
It's an Incredible. That could be fun.
It can be dangerous.
I bet the kids at the house, we have a 7-year-old, an 8-year-old, and a 10-year-old at home right now
Yeah.
that would have a blast with that thing.
I'm going in first.
You want to buy it? I don't know if you go in
You
it.
just
I think
push
you
it
just
around.
push
It's a
it into
giant
each
ball.
other.
No, you can get in it.
You can. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, look at this old nativity. That's cool.
I priced those. One of them is broken.
Okay.
So, thank you, sir. I thought maybe, this is like my $5 box, so I
Yeah,
thought
yeah.
maybe 5 for the crush and then 5 for this.
Okay.
And then like these two are 5 and this is 5.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not very good with this whole yard sale thing.
You're all
know,
right.
I'm,
No, I think that's a fair price.
yeah.
I'm not sure. I'll have to think about it.
Okay, that's fine.
It's more something my wife would like than me,
Yeah, got it.
but she would like it. Get some scooters. He's gonna make me blow that thing up today, huh? I wonder if we can use the air compressor to blow it up. I don't know.
I think you can. I don't think there might be 2 or 3 different
Yeah. Like connectors to do it. Zoe? Pretty crazy. This is cool. She's like a cupcake and then she turns into a doll. Oh, look at you. You got it all. Impressive. Wow. You said there's a console hiding in here
Do you want
too?
me to do you want to put it up on like a desk or something?
No, I'm
You're
okay. It'll only start hurting in 5 minutes if I'm still down here
That
looking at it.
Leapster box, the Leapster I think is inside, right? It does. That's the charger for it. Put this in the box. The Leapster is on the door. And it's got 3 or 4 little cartridges.
Yep. Yeah, they're Wii ones. Another Wii footboard. So what kind of price would you guys think on all this?
All of it?
Yeah,
50 bucks maybe?
50?
Yeah. I've been to
Yeah, I'd do 50.
okay.
I'll do that.
I know that there's like a big following for Guitar Hero.
Yeah.
And like I've been to
Yeah, I've got a drum
GameStop.
set and
Oh, yeah.
yeah, I've got some stuff there. I don't have this specific. You have one Guitar Hero game that I don't have actually.
we
The
if I could-
AC/DC one.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah, I remember that one.
My brother's a big AC/DC fan.
Yeah. Here's 50 bucks.
Thank you.
And I can put it in my car and bring you back your basket.
Oh,
Or unless you want it gone.
yeah, you know what? You could take it if you would
Okay,
like.
yeah,
If that
sure.
helps you.
Yeah, it's easier to move around if you don't want it, if you're trying to clear out space. All right, we might be back to look at a little more. I'm just gonna load this up.
Okay.
Oh, the Leapster.
Oh, the
plug
power
for
supply.
The Leapster.
Yeah, yeah.
Would that be okay?
Yeah, I'll grab it in a minute.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Our generation. They're no good.
Yeah, excellent.
You have to, so you know what it is. This is kind of cool. It's an electric drum kit.
Not in furniture mode.
It's kind of neat.
All right.
The fan's not set. That's a good idea. Keep that.
Elijah, you didn't want the pineapple?
No.
Pure imagination. Oh, BBs. Do you have a BB gun?
No.
All right, let me go get her cord if she wants.
Do I need to buy it back?
No, no. You're good.
Thank you.
You're good.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. You ready, guys? Are you still shopping? Are you gonna buy a Leapster? Now he's looking at the Leapster.
Oh.
Ready? Yeah. Okay. All right, thank you guys.
Thank y'all so much. Y'all take care.
You too. Good luck with your sale.
So much.
Back again. We're wondering if you do 10 bucks on your little electric drum kit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Perfect.
Here you go. We were sitting there trying to figure out if we wanted it.
Yeah, no.
Like, I think we want that.
Excellent.
Okay, cool. Oh,
Enjoy.
you brought out some stuffed animals. I didn't look at those. Bun.
Hey, do you want to do the chicken dance? Hey, do you want to do the chicken dance?
I do want to do the chicken dance. Knoebels. That was Kenobi Lake Park? Kenobi Lake Park? Is that still open? I thought they closed that down. How much is your puppy?
$1.
Okay. We've got quite the collection of Build-A-Bears.
Oh, excellent.
There you
Thank you, sir.
Cool, thank you.
Y'all take care.
Hey, you too.
So long.
Yep. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that footage. I got a lot of good stuff today. I got a bunch of DVDs and video games, and several of the DVDs, like the Looney Tunes, have already sold for $15 to $20. The video games, like the Orange Box, sold for 20 bucks same day I listed it. Those Japanese movies had some decent value. They haven't sold yet, but I think all of them are worth like at least $10 to $15. And I also got some DeWalt tools, and I've sold all of the DeWalt tools except for this one impact driver. Total I've sold the other tools for something like $180. For the other ones, I paid $40 for the bag of tools. I sold the bag, I sold the flashlight, I sold the parties, I sold it all. I parted it out and sold every item for $180. Once that sells, will bring me up to like $240 or something along those lines. $220. So at that sale, I did really well. I got a like little horse from Frozen that I have on my top shelf up there. It's only worth like 15 bucks, so that one wasn't that great of a buy, but it was funny. I did like it. The real crazy buy was all the Wii and video game stuff they brought down at that one sale. The daughter went up to the upstairs, brought it all down, and I'd say for that had a Wii, that had a bunch of guitars, that had a bunch of video games, probably a 200-300 score on those video games when all was said and done. So that was a great find. But along with the great find came a negative. That ball my son bought to get in and play in with his cousins. We get home, he paid $5. It looked like it was brand new, it was taped up. We get home and inside it is just picture frames. So that was a little disappointing. He was super excited about it. It's this one here, this Incrediball. He was super excited about it, and it wasn't in there. So he was pretty sad. I ended up giving him the $5 back because I felt bad. I didn't tell him to check inside, and I encouraged him to buy it. So I kind of felt like it was my fault, and so I just gave him his $5 back and said, next time we just got to double check. I mean, one crazy thing about that sale that wasn't really in the footage was when I was walking up, some guy and his wife were leaving with like 5 American Girl dolls in their box. Like mint condition American Girl dolls with clothing and everything. And they were leaving with that. And so, you know, it's very easy to see something like that and get discouraged and be like, ugh, they just took everything good. But, you know, I asked if they had video games and I ended up getting a huge score anyways. So all in all, it worked out. I was sad I missed the American Girl dolls, but maybe next time. All right, cool. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos like this. My name is Dave. See you later.